I want to see if that's possible. This seems like a terrible idea. Ah, Jurgen's drowning. What? No, Jurgen went through. Jurgen, come back, come back, come back. God damn it. Oh, God damn it, Jurgen, you crazy. On second thought, no. What the hell? I gotta teleport Jurgen. No! Jurgen, get out of there! Jurgen, get out! Ah! Ah! Oh! It actually works! What a sheep! No! Ah! No! It was just supposed to. Ah! Ah! You volunteer. Hey! Alright, you come with me. Oh my god. Hey, hey, hey! What are you trying to escape to? You're water sheep now. You should be proud. Say goodbye to your family. That's right. You'll never see them again. This is your new. This is your new home now. That's right. Water sheep number 2. Water sheep used to love this bell. Welcome to hell! This is your new life! This is how you live life now. Now jump. Oh no! This is awful. I'm sorry. I'll put you down. I'll put you down. No! No! You will pay for what your ancestors... for the crimes of your ancestors. Just keep moving. And don't ask any questions. You got that? You got that? There will be bone. What is this game? Okay, let's see. Alright, chicken. Okay, maybe I need to put the... the famous block of justice. No. Put in the subject. He's escaping! Oh! No! No! Chicken. Chicken sheep was like a father to me. Would you? No more games. No more play. I'm gonna give you one chance to surrender. Tell me who you're working for. Wrong answer. I need guidance what to continue. I need water sheep to tell me what to do. Water sheep, we have brought you a sacrifice. Hey DJ, play the sacrificial song. Alright DJ, play the song of sacrificial. Oh water sheep, please accept our humble offering. Faggy. Faggy! Ah!
What the hell? Where did that come from?
How much does Faggy mean to you, Jack?
Faggy's everything to me. You know, the sad thing is I don't think I'm going to be able to take Faggy with me.
Okay, wait. Sven, get away from there. Come here. Sven! Thank you. Okay, Faggy. Let's build a house for Faggy. Jablinski.
I need some medicine.
Turn around. Bye, Faggy.
No!
Farming. Sven is back! Yeah. Where did he spawn? In the wall? Ah! No! I forgot because there's a new skin. Oh. Please, not today, Sven. I'm sad too, but something has to be done. Sorry. How? I just hit him one now! Pee pee. There you are, pee pee poo poo. Alright, pee pee poo poo, you're free. Oh my gosh, look at his health. Pee pee, are you okay? How do you heal his health? I'm only doing this because I know the 9-year-olds are gonna be like, eh, he died. Oh. How do I splash you? Wow, that's so cool. How do I activate it? No! No! Ah! I was trying to heal him! It's Pee Pee Poo Poo! Everyone knows Pee Pee Poo Poo has 2 lives. Everyone knows that. It's the second rule of Minecraft. Who created it? Notch. How many lives does Pee Pee Poo Poo have? 2. Everyone knows that. Pee Pee Poo Poo was your dad? Boo hoo hoo. I lost my dad. Wow. Grow up, Pee Pee Poo Poo. 2. Pee Pee 2 Poo. Yeah. I just realized I'm not gonna have space to bring back everyone. Oh. Hey look, Pee Pee Poo Poo made it back as well. That's awesome. Ah! How does that make any sense? Stop friends in boat. Oh, he's shooting his friend in his friend boat. Oh no, you're on fire now. Alright, we're going together now. I don't care what you think about me. We're gonna be friends. Just go in there. He killed IKEA bird! You! Come back! Hurts me. You're on fire now. So you guys told me that these can't actually hurt me. No, they can't. Which makes it more pleasurable to destroy you. Oh, damn. I got so many. 15. Alright. I won't kill you then. You can live. Oh my god, he's still here. You're doing your best, Mr. Slime. Slime Slim! What should I call you? You're my new best friend. Rudolph! That's not even a sweat. Rolf! Stay back, Rolf! Stay back, Rolfan! Okay, you're with me, Rolf. Don't be scared, Rolf. I have you. Look, he's wearing a little hat. That's so cute. You're so cute, Rolf. Oh my gosh, he loves boats. That's your favorite thing, Rolf. Are you scared, Rolf? This will be the first time you see sunlight. Wow. Get them, Rolf. You're doing it awesome. Rolf! Ah! Why? I know I'm not supposed to be in here, but come on, guys. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, it's happening. Oh my god, they love each other. Finally! Don't let me disturb you. I'm not even here. Baba! Baba! Thank you. No! What are you doing? How do you even get in here? Stop! How? Where's baby? Baby. Gotta travel far in the south. Maybe I should kidnap these people in the south, actually. Yeah, maybe I'll just... IKEA bird? Did I see IKEA bird? Or am I crazy? IKEA bird! You can't... Ah, god damn it. Alright, fine, you're coming with me, IKEA bird. How did you sneak with me? So this is one of the first and biggest villagers I ever traded with. Oh, you haven't refilled already? It's been days. My god. No! He went into a cactus!